Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Dr. Love, your library media specialist. And I'm going to go over some information with students at Southwest Academy to talk about different ways that they can access reading material for the summer. The one way I'm going to highlight right now is Baltimore County Public Library. All of our students are able to use their student ID in order to access this information. So first things first, all of the students already know how to get to this apps portal. There's also a video in case anyone forgets that explains that, but once you're here, you go to this area where it says BCPS digital content. It's orange and blue. Once I click that, I'm going to scroll down to where I see this green letter B and select the live link that says BCPL research databases. It gives me two more links and I click the one at the top. And real quick, I'm going to just say one thing. Keep in mind this is a recording, so you can pause it, do the step, start it again, pause it, do the step, start it again. So just keep that in mind in case I'm going a little fast. Next, what I'm going to do is right here where it says books and more, I'm going to select books and more. On the left, it says digital library. I select that. And then I'm going to go right here to where it says overdrive. And one thing that you'll see is that it will give you access to all types of books, like on Susan books that are currently nominated, graphic novels. It lets you know if they're available, etc. Okay. So in order for you to access though, you have to sign in. So let me show you what you do. I go back to this apps area and I'm going to scroll down to the letter N looking for something called Naviance, and here it is. Once I see that, I click it. And one thing about this is I'm going to have to do a few steps that are going to be different from you. I'm going to have to pretend that I'm a student. So in order for me to do that, I'm going to go ahead and select this, but now my screen will look like yours. So once you go to Naviance through the apps portal, you will go right here where it says About Me. You will select My Account on the left, and then you will go to this area right here. It says ID number. So underneath this area, you'll have some numbers. I don't because I'm not a student, but when you get to that area, you will just copy those numbers, and then you will paste them inside the area where it says sign in, and then you'll have access. So I'm just going to show you real quick. I go to collections. I can look at the kids section. Look at some of the books. If I see a book that I want that's available, all I have to do is select the book and then borrow it, and I can read it on my device, my cell phone, what have you. If I go back, if there's a book that you want that is not available, then all you have to do is select the wait list. So you click it, place a hold, and then they'll let you know when the book is available. You can also look at a sample to read the book that way, see if it's something that you really want. So that I try to make this as quick as possible. Hopefully you enjoy the BCPL option and find some books that are based on your interest.